While Bitcoin continues its pumping to the downside, I saw that last couple of days the extremely bearish mood has been changed by the bullish mood, and now a lot of people, a lot of traders think that we will see the pump continuation above this high, or even maybe the bull market have been started. But I think it's a huge trap. Hello my dear friends, it's Ivan making the crypto analysis updates for you to make you aware how to trade to maximize your profit. Before we get started, I want to remind you that nothing from this video can be used as a financial advice. Let's start on the 4-hourly time frame of our favorite crypto exchange Whitebit. You can use link in the description to register on this exchange. I will briefly remind you what we have to see on the market. Right here was the upside correction, and it was the wave 4 inside the Elliott wave cycle of any degree. I don't remember which degree was it, but now we are in wave 5, and here, as I told you, was the wave 1, which consists of also 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we are in corrective movement, and here was the wave A, it was the wave B, and now we are in wave C. Wave C, I will remind you, have our conservative target right here at 50% of this imbalance candle, which started this crash, but also it has the positive target to cover all this imbalance. But I think we will not see the positive target, and the Bitcoin will grow exactly, exactly to this target. I want to show you my last couple of analysis in the trading queue, because I haven't shown it on the YouTube. And here you can see my analysis on December 29. Here I predicted that wave B has been ended, and we will see the 5 waves Elliott cycle inside the corrective wave C. And now we can see after that I made an update to this idea, and price printed the wave 3, and now I think it's time to for the final wave 5. Because wave 4 has been already ended. Maybe it's not ended, but we will not see the prices much lower than the current price, than this low at $16,800 in this local wave. Let's consider this wave on the 1-hour time frame. I want to remind you, first of all, that for our Elliott wave counting, we have to consider from 100 to 140 bars, and let's measure this number of bars. We can see now that it's almost 140. It's not a big problem if we consider, for example, 160, 180. It's not the precise value for the bars. Okay, let's add the awesome oscillator to understand the underlying structure of this Elliott wave cycle. And as you know, I told you many times that when we can see the maximum hour value, it's the top of the wave 3. Of course, top of the wave 3 was here. I will explain you why it's not the top of the wave 5. It's the wave 5 inside wave 3. Here we can see the local divergence, but the awesome oscillator has not crossed the zero line. It has crossed zero line only here, and it means that the minimal requirement for the for the wave 4 and has been met already. The second condition is the Fibonacci retracement level. And if we apply the Fibonacci retracement for the whole Elliott, for the entire Elliott wave 3, we can see that it found support exactly at 0.38 Fibonacci level. This is the natural level for the wave 4. But also, if we add the another Fibonacci levels 0.618 and 0.5, we can see that potentially wave 4 can feel this levels. It's not usually touch the 0.618 Fibonacci level, but it can touch 0.5. Do not afraid, do not be scary if we will see the rapid crash, not crash, dump, local dump to $16,700, and the bounce, immediate bounce from this point with the new Elliott wave. I can see now that here could be the very nice scalp long entry opportunity to enter in the wave 5. Which target can we use for the wave 5? Let's first of all apply the Fibonacci extension level to understand where the wave 3 has been ended, and it has been ended exactly at the 1.618 Fibonacci level. It's the natural level for the wave 3, and we can see it has grown even a little bit higher, and it means that wave 5 will not be extended. And for the wave 5 we have two potential targets. The minimal target is the that this wave will be equal to the wave 1. If it was the wave 4 bottom, our minimal target for the wave 5 is approximately 17,003 and 17,030. And if we will see the small leg down, we can even face with the trimmed wave 5 approximately at the local high. The positive target for the wave 5, it's the 1.618 multiplied by the length of the wave 1. And if we measure this target, if we will see this local dump, the target for the wave 5 is located right here. It's 1.618 level. It's approximately 17,150. It almost coincides with our previous target, which I told you before, to fill this imbalance candle, to fulfill this imbalance candle. And when we will see this last wave, last leg to the upside, we have to watch on the potential divergence with the awesome oscillator, and when the momentum, the awesome oscillator also show us the momentum. If we will see the 3 red consecutive bars on the awesome oscillator, it means that momentum now is turning to the bearish side, and here will be the nice entry point to the short position. Also, we can find here the fractal is another one condition, a squat bar, or the bearish reversal bar. But bearish reversal bar can happen on any time frame, not exactly on the 1 hour. You can use, for example, 30 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. We have to look at the underlying structure of this wave 5. It should consist also with the 5 Elliott wave cycle, and here will be our short entry point with the minimum stop loss. And of course I will tell you when I'm going to open short position, which I closed earlier, but I don't remember where I closed it right here. My short position, which I opened at $17,300. I closed this short position here, and now I'm searching for the re-entry point for this short position, because I believe that the next wave will be insane. It will be the wave 3 in this cycle. It will be the very huge gains for the bears in the very short period of time. The next wave will definitely break this low, and after that, of course, we will see a very boring and depressive market. Be ready for that, guys. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Please support me with your likes and comments. Good luck and goodbye.